Here's how to delete plugins in Roblox Studio. So the first step is to open up Roblox Studio and then click on Add New Tab. Now here you can simply name it however you want, so you can also name it Plugin Remover, it doesn't matter. Now we're gonna have to click on Add Tools, and then from here simply type in Manage and then select Manage Plugins. So click on this button and then you can close this up. Now you can simply click on Manage Plugins here, and then you'll be able to see all the plugins that you are using. So if you want, you can update all of them, you can disable them, or you can simply click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Now you can also click on the plus button here and it will open up the creator store where you can add more plugins. Now I usually recommend you to disable it so you don't mess up the game, but if you want to uninstall it, simply click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.